Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian markets are doing much better as compared to last few days, and it is mainly because of again some weak numbers on the economy side from the US. And this has actually now reinforced the speculation that the Fed would cut rates next year. US futures edged higher. Brent dipped below the mark of $78 per barrel, and treasury yield is now at 4.20% from the levels of 4.25. On the domestic front, FIs are consistently buying in the equity markets since the last few days, and on Tuesday we saw infusion of 5,000 crores in a single day, which is huge, and that's the reason we are seeing rally or activity in the large cap companies. Now if we go through with the setup of our markets, then we saw a rally towards the levels of 20,850, which was the resistance for the market. In the first half we saw some correction from the high levels, but towards the end again the market closed at the highest point of the day. Currently Gift Nifty is trading nearly 100 points higher, and based on that we are going to see opening somewhere close to the psychological level of 21,000. Now based on the technical formation, 21,000 is going to act as resistance and support would be at 20,700. So the support which was around 500 is now shifted to the levels of 20,500, and based on the overall formation, if there is any correction then we should be buyer in the index. Otherwise it is better to be more and more stock specific. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw good amount of activity. 46,400 is now going to act as major support, and on the higher side 48,000, and in the best case scenario 49,000 will be the next levels to watch out for. But on immediate basis 48,000 is going to act as resistance for the Bank Nifty. On dips around 46,400 we should look for taking some positions in the market. Now if we see the other indices, then most of the indices managed to close at the highest point of the day, and overall performance of the market is very clearly indicating us that stock specific rally is definitely going to give better results. The activity was in energy stocks, metal stocks, specifically PSU Bank, State Bank did well. Adani stocks closed almost at the day's highest levels, and most of them were at the upper circuit levels. Because of that we saw specific buying interest in the State Bank also, which closed above the mark of 600. IT stocks and pharma stocks were little bit under pressure, but otherwise if we see the overall momentum of the market, then most of the stocks did well. Today we have to see that how actually this private banks performed, because most of them are now very close to their resistance level. HDFC Bank is at 1600, and to trade above 1600 we need some solid performance from the market. Otherwise we are expecting HDFC Bank to remain within the range of 1650 and 1575 on the downside. For Reliance, it is not participating, but yesterday, I am going to say on Tuesday, it was in the narrow trading range of nearly 20-25 rupees, which is unusual, and based on the formation now we can say that it is now sustaining above the mark of 100 days simple moving average, which is positive. The next level of the resistance is around 2500 and 2490. So Reliance should be on the watch list in today's date. Along with Reliance Industries, we are expecting some performance from ITC, which is consolidating between the range of 455-450, and based on the technical formation the next level to watch out for would be 465. So these are the stocks on which we are going to keep a close watch in today's date, and based on the level we should look for designing our trading strategy. That's all from my side. With this I am ending today's call.